So where is Greg now? So Sir Greg right now is back to Mactan, Newtown. So right now we are here at the Starbucks. Yeah, there. And I'm gonna show you a 2-bedroom here inside the Mactan, Newtown. Come on.
Times like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out.
So it's a beautiful day out here.
Yeah. So did you hear the sound? We actually have an event. It's called Lechon Festival here. So it will be it will start later 5 p.m. Lobby 3 and 4.
But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
This place is really nice in here in the lobby. Really elegant. And this is Agent Vanessa, and she was in one of the previous videos. And we'll head up here and take a look at it. And I really like the lobby area here. This is super nice. Yes.
Modern Asian inspired. That's our mailbox.
Oh, okay. So this is the mailbox room here. Perfect.
We're going up. We're going to 15th floor. So yes, we are here at the 15th floor and the unit is in corner. So from the hallway, you've got a beautiful view. See?
Oh wow, this is nice. Yeah, there's a great view up here. Okay.
And yeah, so this is the unit. It's a cluster 3, 15 HI. So yes, this is actually 79 square meter. And the good thing about this one, when you go inside, like you feel it's so wide, like you can do, you know, nice interior design with this.
Wow,
this
what
could be your sofa or your living area.
Such a nice view here. It's incredible, the view. Wow, you can just see the ocean or the bay there. And also then you've got the area down below.
Yeah, amenity. It's outdoor dining. It's all new.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's really nice.
And you can also see them there swimming, like from the other.
Oh yeah,
If you can go closer, like you can zoom in, like yeah.
Just 1 second here. Okay, so those are, you said most of the people down there, most of them are expats?
Expats,
in
yeah.
Here? Oh, okay,
And
okay.
they are all very friendly. And they
okay.
always have, you know, swimming ritual.
Yeah.
Chit chat.
Oh, okay, okay. And then what's that over there that they're building there? Is that another?
That's just a, you know, a short commercial building. It's just up to that.
Oh, okay.
Like, it's not really that high.
Okay.
And of course, this is very, wide.
Really open up here. Yes, this is nice.
Third kitchen, and that could be your table or dining area.
Yeah, it's very spacious, very open. I really like this.
And of all the units, this is the most unique kitchen because we got our, island countertop here. We got our oven. Yeah, oven. And there's one electric.
Oh, that's nice.
And of course, the cabinets, right? Cabinets.
Right.
Yes.
Very nice.
The sink and this area, this space will be for your refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. And then these are the breaker boxes?
Yes, breaker box.
Oh, okay. So they're nice and easy to get to if you need to.
Yeah. You can even put a mini bar here if you like. You can put it there.
Oh, okay.
And of course, this is our master bedroom. And yeah, it's so nice here.
And this, it has a great view.
Yeah, from your bed.
Yeah.
From your bed, you can have a beautiful view from there.
Yeah.
When
Wow.
you wake up, oh, nice.
Oh, yeah. And it looks like there's a small balcony here too.
Yeah. Very windy. And it's not hot here. You will save electricity. You see this?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this is nice. So you probably get that cool breeze blowing through the
Yeah,
house,
it's
and
not hot.
yeah, and you wouldn't need to run the air.
Another unit like those, it's very hot. You see those balcony?
Oh, right, yeah.
But on this side, no.
Wow, what a view! This is really nice.
You can see people like do parasailing, jet ski from there.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Because there are a lot of famous resorts nearby.
So, what are the other resorts that are close by here?
Actually, we're close to Shangri-La, which is a 5-star hotel, just 5 minutes away.
Oh, okay.
We also have many more, like
All you want to do is run. Hear me out.
Oh, okay. All right. Yeah, no, this is a great location here. And the pool is really nice, yeah.
yes, and don't you worry, it will not be blocked. Those views and lands from there because they are private. And I've already checked that project that's only for residential, not for building. So that's owned by Santa Lucia Land, which is only for houses. So don't you worry, your view will not be blocked in the future, okay?
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. That's good to know. Yeah. And so now what is the asking price on this unit? Or- Thank you.
I'm gonna tell you next. So after the view, we actually have this walk-in cabinets.
Oh, this is good.
Yeah. Walk-in cabinets. Sorry.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is really nice having this second room here like this.
And straight from there will be your bathtub and your sink.
Oh, okay. Very nice. And the good thing about the 2-bedroom unit is if you're a single guy, well, if you're a single anybody, you can rent out that separate second room.
Of course. You can do it.
Yeah.
It's free to do anything as long as you pay the company. You
Okay.
can do Airbnb. And this is for other room. So
Okay. So here's
So nice.
the other bedroom. And you've got the view here too. And it has its own air unit also, which is great.
yeah.
Beautiful view. And one of the great things out here that I've noticed is that everything is right here.
Yes.
There's restaurants.
This community, like this township is, especially, we call it a gateway, international gateway to Philippines. Sorry. So it means, right, that this is very good for expats because everything you need is just walking distance. So if you want to go to ATM, we have it, many. And if you want to go restaurant, we have so many different kind of restaurant, Italian, Filipino, many more. If you want to go bar, we have disco bar. And if we also have BPO offices here. You can also do business here.
Oh,
If you're a unit owner. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So many things to do. There's a beach too, right? So the beach, if you are one of the owner here, you have free access lifetime. And the beach will be soon a resort. It will be a man-made lagoon soon. I think in 2 to 3 years. Yeah.
Oh,
It will
okay.
finish.
Right.
Yeah.
We took a look at the beach there, and it looked like it was coming along really
And
nicely.
actually, yeah, and also, sir, we also have an extra. It could be your pantry. It would be better if you own the. Sorry. I should just on the light. So difficult.
Oh, the
The
breaker?
light. It's
Okay. Yeah, it's all right.
So this one, it's like your third room, or it could be your storage, or we actually call it like helper's room or maid's room, but
Oh, okay.
there's single bed and
right,
toilet
right.
and shower.
Wow, so it really is like a third room. So
Yeah.
if you have an overnight guest and
Yeah.
the other rooms are both being used. Yeah.
But it's up to you. You can always make it your storage or your pantry.
Right.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yes, for the price.
Yeah. So what is the price?
So actually, Sir Greg, this is around 79 square meter at 15th floor, unit HI corner unit. So this is the asking price is 19,829,000 peso. That's Philippine money, right?
Oh, okay.
So
Okay.
I cannot translate it to US. It's around that.
So if it was 20 million, so it'd be about, I need to use my calculator. Yeah, so it's about 54 pesos to $1.
Wait, sir.
Yeah.
So estimate it's around 367,203
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
I think it's a really, it's a good opportunity if somebody is coming, let's say from California.
yeah.
When you compare the prices out there and you look at the inflation and all those things, I think it's a good opportunity for.
But don't you
Yeah.
worry. We offer rent to own. Aside from cash, we offer rent to own. So it's like this. You only need to pay 5% down payment. So that's around 694,015. So 694,000 divided 54. So it's around 12,851 USD. For only 12,851 USD, 5% down payment, you can move in right away since the unit is ready.
Oh, okay.
Yes. So, and beside, 4 years to pay rent to own. So meaning you will be paying around 30,845 in peso every month. So
Okay.
30,000, how much is that in USD?
It's about 600 and something?
Yes,
Is that
around
right?
155 USD every
Oh,
month.
okay.
Right, every month for 4 years to pay 0 interest.
Oh, that's really good. The zero interest is fantastic.
But of course, there will be a lump sum, yearly lump sum, around 2.5%. So it's gonna be around 347,000. Yeah, we calculate it into, so around 6,425 USD every year.
Every year, okay.
Yeah, so
Okay.
it's around, let's say, let's say 4 million peso in 4 years.
Okay.
So 4 million peso in 4 years. So it's like 74,074.
Okay.
Yeah, 74,074 USD in 4 years. So we stretched that to 4 years, zero interest. So it's really good, payment plan.
Right.
And also the balance, like around 75%, it's payable after 4 years. So it's around 10,410,225.
Okay.
So you have the option to pay it cash, or if you don't want to pay it cash, you can still do installment. Like either the bank, you can finance it to bank, or in-house financing.
Okay. Okay.
So yes, let me know if you have a question, I can answer you. You can contact me directly. I'll answer all your questions. For virtual viewing, I'm very happy to assist you. So Sir Greg, do you have a question?
No, I think you've covered everything, Vanessa. Yeah, Vanessa's probably one of the best agents, if not the best agent that I've actually ever met. Yeah, so if you have any questions, her information is going to be in the description, and feel free to message her, and I'm sure she can answer any detailed questions that you have.
So don't you worry, foreigners can own 101%. I already have so many foreigners who already live here in Mactan, Newtown, and others got the title already. And also, don't you worry, it's very easy to own here. We just need one valid ID and 25,000 reservation. It's around like 500 USD reservation fee and one valid ID. Passport can do. So we don't care, or we don't ask what's your job or what blah blah blah. As long as you pay, you're good to go.
That's really good.
Yeah.
Because it's definitely not like that
Yeah,
in the
it's not
US or a lot
here.
of.
As long as you want to invest here, go for it.
Okay.
Maybe right now is the time.
Yes, yeah. Well, thank you so much, Vanessa. I appreciate the tour of this unit.
Thank you so much, Sir Greg. I really appreciate the lots of views, lots of inquiries from your YouTube. I'm really very happy from the bottom of my heart. So looking forward, guys, to chat me, ask me questions. I'm very happy to assist you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.